So I've always played athletics throughout my entire grade school, high school career, and I knew I wasn't going to be able to be a college athlete. So I was like, this is a way that I can still be helping athletes out. I can be on the sideline, be in the moment. You learn as you go. I'm always learning new things right now, and so it's always important to be continuing your education, learning the best medical practices at current to be able to help the athletes as best as possible. If you don't have the hands-on aspect, you're just kind of going out there. You somewhat know what to do, but not really. And so being able to be hands-on, whether in the clinic, in our classroom, over in clinicals, we're able to get that hands-on experience so our preceptors can correct us if we're wrong. It is very challenging to be an athletic trainer. We have clinical hours, which puts a lot of stress on just our normal coursework, but it is all manageable. All the hard work that I put into the program is worth it in the end because I know I'm going to do something I love. It's not all about the money. It's not all about I want to be the most famous person in the world. It's doing something that I'm passionate about and that I love.